Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but hila ban lagyu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan
Uchaman Ubadairu Hagajukopor Managing Director Jong MECL Sanjay Goyal Ulong baka MECL kalakit ram namar babun gibam siu tikna yaga bai thang ding jongki hagini gisi banwan Ulong baka MECL kan on naphangi Bording jong Kito gibam siu tikna yaga bai thang ding Ulai thu badang shen la pha jing thoru shaki company mobile repair ki bam siu ya bai thang ding hagi mobile tower jongki balada kim siu on no e boarding.
In terms of government dues, we don't have much. We have been getting regular clearances from various departments, sometimes quarterly, sometimes by the end of the year. So that's not a very big concern for the corporation. The other dues are of course the consumers, which are the individual consumers or various consumers who have already consumed the electricity and have not paid. So for that we have taken up, we have going for a mass disconnection drive, wherein those who are not purposefully paying the payment, our dues, we will be disconnecting those consumers. Recently we have issued letters to all the mobile companies, wherein they have not paid their dues for the mobile tower payments and all, and the same company is running towers in different parts of the state but not paying certain cases. So we have written to them that we will disconnect all if they don't make the payments for all of them. So corporation is trying to find out who are the consumers who are in a position to pay and maybe intentionally not paying. So we are in the first phase, we are targeting them. They have the capacity to pay and they are not paying. Off late, off the hand I can't say the figures, but what you are saying is correct. These figures are quite substantial in number, and we have given the target for us to, in fact we are targeting in a slightly fast manner. I have taken up those dues which are above 1 lakh rupees of payments which have been not paid by the consumers in last say maybe 3 months time or 1 month or 6 months time. Those are the consumers which are in target, and through all of you I would like to appeal to all the consumers also, those who are in the capacity to pay and they don't have any dispute regarding the bills, please come forward and pay so that we can give you better supplies. Still unit, as I mentioned, there is an issue about the tariff which we are taking up with the commission. The others are the cases of the disconnections which have already, they are no more getting supply from us, but at one point of time they have taken power from us and they have been disconnected, and those amounts are quite huge, and some of them have gone into the NCLT also, declaring themselves as insolvent. So we are fighting the matter before the NCLT so that we also get our dues out of the entire settlement which happens. In other cases, of course, we are taking legal course of whatever is available in our hand to get these dues back from them. Dues, if you talk about that, runs into, as Bajos was mentioning, it runs into hundreds of crores. Our due is more than maybe 300 crores. All combined, and all those who have gone into NCLT, all those where the bills are disputed, all those where the consumers are no more traceable. As I mentioned, this is not a day's thing. These things have happened and have happened over a period of time, and we are now trying to work around it. How much of it is recoverable and how much of it we need to take legal course and legal action against them. As I mentioned, one classic example was this mobile towers. Same companies is existing in the state. They are not paying certain cases. In certain cases, they are paying. They should pay for all. And conveniently getting disconnected and taking another connection. that is not allowed, and we will take strict action against them. We don't have problem with the government dues. Government anyways is supporting the corporation way out of way, so that at least we are getting all kinds of financial support, so that we are in a position to give the salaries to our employees on time. So I don't think there's any issue with the government, and we review it at different intervals of time. I have requested the finance department, and finance department also has agreed to clear all the electricity dues of all the departments in time. So there's no issue of any government dues with the government department, and it comes, if it is not coming this quarter, it comes in the next quarter through the budgetary support. So we don't have any issues with the government agencies as such, I mean government departments as such.